Creating emoji that you and your sponsors can use is a great way to make sponsorships more fun and engaging. The more sponsors you have, the more emoji you can upload. Like with your badges, you might want to use images that your sponsors will associate with your channel and that give them a way to express themselves. Think about any inside jokes you and your viewers share, or the kind of reactions you expect your viewers have when they watch your videos. There are a few things to keep in mind when you're making your emoji. You'll want to make sure that they follow YouTube's terms of service and community guidelines, including not violating others' copyright or privacy rights. Now for the technical details. Since the chat screen can be white or black, you'll want to make sure that whatever you create can be seen on both backgrounds. The file format should be a GIF, PNG, or JPEG. To make sure they show up well, make sure the lines are sharp, and if they're based on photos, have good lighting. They should also be a minimum of 48 by 48 pixels, and under 1 megabyte in size. Finally, remember that emojis can appear pretty small, so the simpler they are, the better they show. Some creators hire a designer, and some make emoji themselves. It's up to you. There are experts in emoji design out there, and it's a good idea to have all your emoji designed by the same person to make sure that the whole set looks professional. When you upload your first emoji, you need to come up with a short name that will apply for all custom emoji on your channel. This is the family name for your emoji. It's what sponsors will type when they want to use them. You'll also need to give each emoji its own name to distinguish it from its siblings. But it's particularly important to think carefully about what family name you use, because you won't be able to change it in the future, even if you try to delete all your emoji and start again. Once your emoji are ready, just upload them. And be sure to come back to upload more as you get more sponsors. I'll see you in the next video.